Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how to play FS mobile with friends. Updated, how can we find each other, add each other in different game modes. So let's get right into the tutorial. Here we don't have a unique ID to find our profile or that of a friend. So for example, if we have a pretty common name like Messi or Ronaldo, we're going to get a long list of all the users that have that same profile. And sometimes it's really hard to find the player or the friend we want to add that same profile. And sometimes it's really hard to find the player or the friend we want to add. So to make this easier, let's join the same league. We can also create one with 3000. We can choose any name that isn't too common so that the people we want to add can find us more easily from the leagues section. You only need to be level 3 for this to unlock. We send to the friend request and it will arrive as a message in notifications. You just need to accept this request. Once we've added each other, we're going to select the icon that says play. Then we click on division rivals. We choose against friendships. From here we can see which players are online, who are in a match, and the lineup they currently have active. And if we select a match, we will be able to choose either the attack mode or a normal match. In this case, it's going to be a normal AL match. Another player will receive a notification and these two devices will be paired with our internet connection. It depends on this going very smoothly, without any jerks where one advances and the other doesn't. It works well for me, and that's even though my internet isn't good. The best thing we can say, so you can let me know in the comments how this worked for you. Remember, you can give me a like and subscribe and also share this video. Until next time, take care, bye.